final masterpiece is ready.
Hello everybody, I'm Danny.
I'm Julie.
Wonderland.
How was your Christmas holidays? Did you get some presents from Father Christmas?
We have a lot.
Do you know what comes after Christmas?
New Year's Eve.
Hello, Mr. Danny. If I say New Year's Eve, does anything come in mind?
No, but I think it's very colourful.
You're right. It's actually fireworks!
So today we're going to show you how to do fireworks indoors.
It's going to be simple. You will only need paint, paper,
Pencil.
and glitter.
Optional.
Yeah, optional.
You have to do the outline of your fireworks very lightly with your pencil. Very light. You can't even see it almost. It seems hair that goes on your paper. Look, they go from one side to the other side.
Come on, Danny.
Wow.
If you want to see through the camera, look very closely.
Now the exciting part. As you can see, you have no paintbrush on the table. So we dip our fingers in the paint. Then with lots of fingerprints following the pencil line.
Danny, are you ready?
Yes! 3, 2, 1, fireworks!
And my finger got stuck. Help me! No! Oh, so nice. These are the best fireworks of 2020.
We finished. Now it's time to wash our hands. Then we add the glitters. High five.
Let's go in the bathroom. Our fireworks are already nice like this, but we are going to use glitters as optionally, so then they can be more shiny. I'm going to use my glitters on my t-shirt.
Put some glitter in the paint and then sprinkle it. And this will attach to fresh paint like glue.
Yeah. Look how nice this masterpiece.
And then you shake it in the plate so all the excess glitter will go off. We present you our fireworks!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys!
Half watermelon!
Now we're going to show you another way to do fireworks. And even this time, no paintbrush.
You will need toilet rolls,
Scissors, but be really careful.
paint, of course,
And then plastic plate, finally paper. First thing, we're going to turn these toilet rolls into a paintbrush. This you need the scissors, be careful, and the toilet roll. We need to give the toilet roll an octopus shape like this. Shall we start?
Yes!
You only need to cut half of the toilet roll. All around our toilet roll. That soon will become a paintbrush.
If it's too big, you can just cut it in half. Do you want to see? Ta-da! I had a brilliant idea to make this octopus have eyes, nose, and mouth.
That's a wonderful idea. I'm going to do it too.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. Wow! Yes!
Now that our paintbrush are ready, you will need to cover the bottom of the plate in paint.
I cannot wait to go in my paint bath. Are you ready? Fireworks! We present you our second firework catastrophe. I mean masterpiece.
Yeah. So this one is the pink one, covered in this green. Pam, 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 pam!
Happy New Year!
Now that all our fireworks are ready, it's time for some New Year's Eve jewellery. We are going to do some firework rings. You will need 3 pipe cleaners. Jenny, do you have them ready?
Yes, I have them ready.
And you will also need scissors. You need to bend all your pipe cleaners in half like this. Once you've finished putting them in half, you need to cut through here so then they become 6. Let's start, Danny. Now get 5 of them. Twist them in the middle.
Perfect.
Then in the middle, do the type of ring shape.
Make a hoop like this and then wrap it around with this. Yeah, these are all the fireworks.
You need to put it on the finger and open all the fireworks so it looks like fireworks just exploded.
Oh yeah!
The final masterpiece is
Ready.
I actually like for the pink one.
Happy New Year! Guys, in the next video we will show you how to make party poppers.
So continue following us and don't forget to subscribe.
Bye!